Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge to at least 50% and reboot so background processes reset. Once done, go straight to Settings Battery and read the recent usage and screen on time to spot abnormal drain. Next, install Samsung Members or a Qoo battery. You'll use one for detailed diagnostics. Make sure Wi-Fi is on for app updates and keep the phone idle for a few minutes before the next test so readings are stable. Now you run the actual checks. Open Samsung Members and run the battery diagnostic, or enter the dialer code *0228# if available to view voltage, temperature, and reported capacity. If you use a Qoo battery, perform one controlled charge and discharge cycle to get an estimated full charge capacity in mAh. That gives you a percentage of original health. Make sure the phone is at room temperature. Avoid heavy apps during the finish by interpreting what you recorded. Compare the measured mAh to the J7 Prime's original spec. If the capacity is under about 80%, plan a battery replacement. Also watch for high temperature or steep voltage drops. If those appear, back up your data and avoid intensive tasks until repaired. If the dialer code or diagnostics fail, reboot and try again, or rely on a Qoo battery as a fallback. If you still see odd values, consult a certified Samsung service center for a safe swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.